Welcome to the second part of the video. So because it's let's not forget the particular section we have, which is the building information, and we are supposed to take the address of the building because it's a point location data that we want to collect. We'll go back to our Excel. Then our question type is going to be geopoints. So geopoint is used to collect point data. So geopoint, then here we will put our location as the field name. Then set the question itself, which is building location. Select or as well. So mark the particular indication on the map. So we set. Let's check options of press to locate hidden. Just let's leave it like that. Then you make it required. Then you save. Now let's go back and see how to display. So from here, we're going to set something. So if yours is not displaying like this, maybe yours is bringing a kind of error, don't be scared. Probably your location setting is toggled off. So you just have to go to your system setting and turn on your location. So when you click on it, you can as well from here set a base map for it. You can click on this base map, then you can change it to imagery. So I would love to change it to this so that from here you can actually zoom in to see the particular location. Now this is telling that I'm in this particular location on the map, so you can always search for the particular area if possible. But as far as you're using this application, the first thing is it will take you to that your particular location. So in case if you are at that area or in that particular facility at that point of this response, you can always set your it will always take that particular point that you're standing. So here if I click on, if I mark this, it has taken it. Then I just need to go back. It has actually taken it. So this is the location here on the map. So let's go to the next question, which is access control. So it's a yes or no question. Does the building have restricted access points? That is the gates, the secure doors, or checkpoints. So let's impute this question. It's a logical question. So it's a yes or no question. That's a select one kind of question. So let's click on select one because it's a choice question and it's a question of a single select. So you select that, then go to your choices and impute your choice. Then it's going to come next. It's going to be what's the title of that? Access control. Yes, just let's put access as a list name. Then yes, then no. So you can copy this and replicate it here. Then drag this. So you come back to this and change this list name, only the list name, change it to access, because that's our list name here. So this is going to be access control. Don't forget, it must not have a space. Then you change this to, you'll make this, okay, what's the question? The question states, does the building have restricted access points? Does the building have restricted access points? So that will be the question. Does the building sorry, I've forgotten, have restricted access points? 3 access points. It's the board. That's the question. We make it minimal. Always want my choice list to be minimal. Make it required. Yes. So save that. Then I want us to do it. I want us to set a kind of constraint for this question, such that I want us to make it logical. That means if the respondents choose yes, like this is the question here, does the building have restricted access point? If the respondents choose yes, then it would further ask that what particular access points does the building have. So that will, but if it chooses no, it won't ask that question. So let's do that. Let me teach you how to set a logic question. Then this is still going to be single select because that is going to carry some choices. So you just select single select. Then let's set the choices first. Let's go back to the questions to see the kind of access points that they have. So this is going to be gates, secure doors, checkpoints. So sorry. So it's going to be access points. This is going to be access points. Then this is going to be gates, secured door, checkpoint. Let me check if our question is correct. Gates, secure doors, checkpoints. Okay. So, because of our time, instead of then you make this the normal way of the checkpoints. Okay. I think that's all. Then you replicate this. Okay, we'll come back to this and then change this list name to what it is on the choice lists. So access points. Let me be sure. Okay, it's points, not points. Access points. So here we put access points possible. Then this will be full. And the question is, what access points does the building have? What Then we make it, okay, let's make it single select, or should we make it minimal? Okay, no. Is it possible for the, let's see, it's a realistic, then okay, let's make it like that. Gates, secure door, access. Okay, let's leave it this way as single select. I was actually looking at maybe making it multiple points. See, sorry. So this is solving, and let's make it required. Then again, we are going to set a constraint for it. We are going to set a constraint for it. So we want to set the relevance, sorry, not the constraint, it's relevant. So we want to set relevance for this. So it's now going to be, because of the fact that we want it to be that whenever you select this choice of yes, that is when you're going to have this access point. So it's now going to be it's going to be this. You type dollar, open curly brackets, access control. That means this question, whenever, that means this question should pop up when this question, when you select the particular what's called option in this question. So it's going to be access control, close curly brackets, is equals to, when this question is equals to sorry, it's previously like this. So it is access control. This question should only pop up when access control, this question, does the building have restrictions? So this is the name, the field name. When this question is equals to yes, this yes, that is when this question, what access points does the building have, should pop up. So instead of putting access points here, sorry, put yes. So save, then you'll have this. Then when you select yes, it brings out this question. Or secure, whichever one. But when you select no, it doesn't bring out any question. So let's go back to the next question, which is then we can as well ask how many access points are there? Then what type of access control is used at the main entry? Okay, you can always add this. So let's add this. So let's go back. Then let's make it numeric. So it's going to be integer. Then numbers of access points. So just wait. Then it's what's the question again? How many access points are there? Yes. How many access points? Okay. This is also based on this Control C. You can always replicate this. This is only when where you click yes in this, then this question will pop up. Then again, another question that we need is what type of access control is used at the main entry points? What type of access control? So now it's still going to be select one, key card, biometric. So it's going to be select one option. Then we go ahead and click on select one. Then we set the choices. As access type. Then key card. What other type? Key card, biometric, pin code, guarded order. Biometric, key. Pin code, guarded, then order. Order access to card biometric. So key card, biometric, pin code, guarded, then order. And you can replicate this and make it the way you want it to look. Key card, pin code, guarded. Then this is going to be order. Then you replicate this. Then you go back to your survey and change this list name to access type. Sorry. What is the same? Access type? Yes, access type. Then what's access type as a field? Space this. What type of? So copy this as well. Control C, Control V. Now the last one is this order. If it's order, please specify. So let's add that. It's going to be text because you want the respondent to type. Then order access. Then you put is specify. Then this now will now be based on the response here, open curly brackets, access type, based on the close curly brackets, equals to order, equals to order access. You might be asking this question, why is it order access? The reason why it's order access is because it only recognizes field name. This is it. When you click on order, it recognizes field name. So it's the field name we'll be using. So that's why you have order access. So whenever you click on order, that's what it's going to be. Now let's save. Then after saving, you come back to this, to your preview. Then if you click yes, now all those questions have come up. What access points does the building have? Then type of access, you can now, how many access points are there? You can now put maybe 2, 5, 25, depending, but let's put 2. Then what type of access control is used at the main entry point? If it's key guard, you select. If it's biometric, if it's pin code, if it's, let's use biometric. Then if it's order, then it tells you, it requests that you specify. So that's how to build just kind of logical, what's it called? Logical smart forms. So in the next parts, we'll be looking at more types of questions like multi-choice questions, and as well we'll be looking at other type of questions. Then we'll round up this particular topic. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.